Okay, so this group thinks they have an opposite solution.
We put the rubber band on the lever, and then when we turn it, it's going separate ways.
Oh.
It's going because this one isn't going to this. Isn't sticking together. Also, this one somehow has a contraction to go the other way.
So now the eyes and mouth are moving not in the same direction, but
In different directions.
opposite directions. Okay, I have one more challenge for you. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
How can you get the eyes and mouth to move the same direction, but the crank to move the opposite direction?
Maybe you can put those. You can move it like this one over there. Goodness, stop playing around. What just happened?
You can try it, Jackson. You should show with yours what you're talking about. And if you want to take that face off, Sophia, you could do that. If that's getting in the way.
No, that's not it. That has to stay there. Try taking this off and doing that. No, but then I'm still trying to do something back. Here, let me do it. Try putting it like that.
So, if you want the eyes and mouth to move the same direction, which side needs to stay the same? Which gears and pulleys are causing?
Something to do with the rubber band. I know that.
Yep. So look at the two sides. Which side controls the eyes and mouth?
Hey Jackson, I have an idea. Let me do. I have an idea.
So is it this side that controls the eyes and mouth together, or is it this side?
Jackson, I really have a good idea. I'm trying to fix it. What? Jackson, stop doing it, and I gotta do something.
If we're done, Schumacher, can we like build
Stop
a train
doing
again?
it. Okay, there. Try moving the other way. Let's see about this. Well, I made that do that.
What did you just do? Show me. Okay, if you crank it, why don't you go ahead and crank it? What's now happening to the eyes and mouth?
They're going different directions.
Okay, so you did just what Sophia and Angela did, but you did it in a different way. Sajana and Angela did. So Sajana and Angela, look at Sophia's and Jackson's. Do you see how they twisted it, and they got the same result that you two did in a different way? Now think about that strategy, Sophia, and see if there's a way that you could get.
I'm gonna try both of them.
Okay.
Okay, really.
So now what happened?
They're still going opposite direction.
Okay, so if I wanted the eyes and mouth to go the same direction.
I think this time we need to.
Okay, Jackson, let's see what she's come up with.
What do you do? Don't put it on me. Don't put it on. No, put it on. No.
So, what happened?
Okay, now put it on.
Now.
It's doing it. I'm doing it.
So what did you do?
Well, I crossed this gear, but then I left this one playing.
So,
and I'm doing it.
So how do you think that made it work? So why are the eyes and mouth still going the same way?
I'm still practicing it. I'm not exactly sure.
You said because you left one rubber band
Open and one is crossed.
and the one that's crossed is the one that's going to the crank, right?
Yeah.
So by crossing it to the crank goes one direction and the eyes and mouth go the opposite direction. So Sajana and Angela, do you see how that works?
Yeah, we're trying to twist it, but we're not able to.
Oh, look at the model next to you.
I know.
Okay, try it now.
We got it.
You got it. Do you see why that works?
Can we put the crank in?
Did it again.
So, Angela, are the eyes and mouth now going the same direction?
Put the crank.
It's going in this direction, but this is the crank.
Don't Hey, Schumacher, can we build this one? Okay. Come on, let's build it.
So do you get what did you have to do to make it go the opposite
Let's see
direction?
what happens when I do this. Nothing's
Yeah, what a simple solution, huh?
Now we're going to change it back and start having some fun with it.
Okay.